This is a tutorial on how to use Shishir's Guide to Effective Board Meetings template in Coda. So you're going to notice here that each board meeting date has a folder. So to get started, we're going to create a folder for our board meeting. Let's say we have a board meeting coming up on August 1st. I'm going to go over here and click on New Folder. And I'm going to call this August 1st, 2019. Now for any section I want to put into this folder, I need to duplicate this section. So I have a finance section, a people section, topic section. So let's duplicate this Q2 main session into August 1st. So I'm going to click on these three dots right here, click on duplicate, and make sure you click on duplicate data instead when that little message comes up, so you can make sure that these tables are not views, but rather new tables into your new section. So I'm going to drag and drop this into August 1st and call this Q3 main session. And give this a nice little icon. Let's call this home. And here we go. Now you can embed all kinds of things into this doc. So for instance, in this example, let's say I delete this Google Slides presentation. I want to embed a Google slide. I can click on the plus sign, go to embed. And if I don't see the file type here, I can just click on new embed, paste in the link to whatever you want to embed, and create. And this is the Google Slides that I can see now in my doc, and I can actually go through each of the slides one at a time, just like I would in Google Slides. Further down in this section, you have meeting notes, you have what's on the CEO's mind, and what's really nice is you can also add feedback from the board members. So if I want to add feedback saying that this company is on fire, I can now see my feedback, and I can decide to show all the ratings from other board members, but you may not want to show the other ratings at first because you don't want your rating to influence someone else's rating. You can also add topics that you want to upvote for questions that should be asked during the board meeting, and you can also check this box to indicate the question has been asked. And then down here, you can go further down into discussion topics. Now, if we go back to the Q2 main session from this previous board meeting, you can see that these links go to a topic to be discussed. You can go to a finance update where you can just put in the balance sheet, let's say from the company, or perhaps a hiring section. And you can be as creative as you want with any of these sections to put into your folder. And so now your board meetings are nicely organized into these folders. Finally, there's a standings folder where you can put your board meeting principles and also any resources that you would like your board members to reference.